Here's how you use the footwear tab in the fitting process. After you've walked your customers through their 3D scan and reviewed some of the measurements and/or identified any unique characteristics in their feet, move over to the footwear tab to discover which shoes will fit them the best. You may already have an idea of what shoes will fit them well, but you can still use this tab as a tool to discover new styles you may not have immediately thought of. The Footwear tab in the Volumental UI is here to help you recommend shoes to your customer. The Footwear tab presents recommended shoes in order of best fit, from left to right and top to bottom. So the best fitting shoe here would be this one. And the next one is this one, and so forth. The options can be filtered by gender, brand, category, and even what's in inventory to help narrow down the selection. Toggling the inventory button on will show the shoes that your store has in inventory in the recommended size. Toggling the inventory button off will show all the shoes that your store has in inventory, even if they are not in the recommended size. Use the individual shoe cards to get more insight into how each recommended shoe may fit. Tap on any of the shoes on the recommendations list, and its shoe card will appear. We recommend choosing 1 to 3 different pairs of shoes for your customers to try.